In this morning's Health Watch, as kids are going back to school, there's new guidance from the American Academy of Pediatrics recommending that children from 6 months to 2 years old get a COVID shot. Now, this contradicts the Centers for Disease Control under Health and Human Services Secretary Robert F. Kennedy Jr., which does not recommend COVID shots for any healthy children. CBS News medical contributor Dr. Celine Gounder is editor-at-large for public health at KFF Health News, and she joins me now. Good morning.
Morning.
All right, so why has the American Academy of Pediatrics made this recommendation?
I think it's important to note that even before the American Academy of Pediatrics made this recommendation, there was a group brought together called the Vaccine Integrity Project, which includes some of the nation's top experts in vaccine science, as well as representatives from the professional medical societies. They combed through all of the evidence since the last CDC review of vaccines to bring their recommendations up to date. And that review is what informs the American Academy of Pediatrics' newest recommendations. And that affirms that the vaccines are safe and effective. Children or infants really between the ages of 6 months and 2 years are those at highest risk for complications from COVID, whether that's hospitalization, ICU, because they have smaller airways, their immune systems are not fully developed. And by the way, under 2, we may not even know if they have immunocompromising or other underlying medical conditions that put them at risk.
All right, so parents are stuck in the middle because this guidance conflicts with the CDC's advice about vaccinating young children against COVID. So who should parents listen to?
I mean, look, the American Academy of Pediatrics represents over 67,000 pediatricians across the country. These are the people who actually see these children every day. Unfortunately, the federal guidance has now been shaped by politics and ideology. Some people will try to confuse you, and they will say that high-quality studies are flawed. They will call for gold standard science, which is in reality garbage science, and they will say that this is about putting commercial interests ahead of public health, when in fact, this is the first administration, Republican or Democratic, to have politicized vaccine recommendations in this way ever.
Wow. All right, Dr. Celine Gounder, thank you very much. Really informative.